Hello guys and welcome to my review of Pianoforall, the engineer's new way to learn piano and keyboard. Piano learning and keyboard learning is a skill that everyone loves. The music lovers loves to play piano. Now anyone can learn piano or keyboard through online learning course via Pianoforall. Join over a quarter of million happy students worldwide. They have created half a million, the quarter of million students worldwide. Of course, imagine being able to sit down at a piano just play pop, blues, jazz, ragtime, even amazing classical pieces. Now you can do it in months, not in years, in just months. Pianoforall is one of the most popular online piano courses. Online has helped over 300k students around the world achieve their dream to play piano and keyboard. An amazing series of step-by-step lessons. They are providing a series of lessons through simple steps. Piano for All is specially designed to take complete beginner to an intermediate level faster than any other method. They are offering very simple method to keep you upgrade. You start with popular rhythm style piano, which means you get the sound like a pro right from the start, like a professional. Then expand step by step into ballad style, blues, jazz, ragtime, and many more. You will even learn how to read music as you learn how to play by ear, and eventually you will be able to play some amazing classical pieces also that people loves. Why piano is not usually explained in the manner that Piano for teaches you completely beyond me, says Bob Bowen. They're offering 200 videos. Watch the trailer and try sample videos. These are the two simple sample videos they're offering, and there are over 200 videos to learn piano from Piano Forall, and 9 interactive ebooks. They're offering free ebooks to go you from beginner to advanced then the pro level. It could not be easier to learn piano. They are offering very simple steps to learn piano from Piano Forall. And David Morgan from London says, I am truly amazed that progress I have made in 3 days. In 3 days, he made progress. From David Morgan from London. Then you don't have a search to computer for lots of files and have lots of windows open. You can view books on your PC, Mac, tablet, smartphone, or you can print the pages from the if they're ebooks or videos. Everything is Piano Pro is right where you need to be. As you go through each book, you can click or either audio or video and instantly hear or see the courses. Testimonials. As I were to give off piano, Tony Lee Boschke from US. He was about to give piano, but with the help of piano fural, he learned how to play it. And then, who is for piano fural aimed at? Whether you can play a note or you play a bit but want to improve, or maybe you play another instrument and want to diversify your knowledge, then this is for you. Piano for you, perfect for piano or keyboard lover. This is the perfect course for piano or keyboard lover. You won't get any simple course to learn it rather than piano for all. Then order Pianoforall now. Offline access on you don't need any online internet connection. No need to worry about slow video streaming. This is the access. You can access it through offline also on any device. This is the device friendly courses at any day. You can learn anytime you want, every time. Great support. They are offering great supports to you, just one time payment, and they are offering free updates. They will improve the courses and videos. They will provide with just regular price of 79, but the offer is just 39. Join the 300K student worldwide and explore your passion. Thank you for watching my video. Do check out description for discount.